no matter the type of work you're doing, these tool belt suspenders are going to be a big help. What they do is they bring a lot of the weight off the tool belt up to the shoulders. As you can see, they've got a nice padded suspension up top. Coming down are big strong nylon with the yellow stripe, which is nice for high visibility. These have a real heavy duty clasp down here. Of course, it's adjustable, and then there's some elastic to help you keep track of all the extra ends once it's adjusted correctly. What's also nice is there's a pocket here for a phone or tools, and then you've got elastics on this side so you can put pens or markers or small tools, I suppose. This isn't necessarily for climbing or for load bearing, but it does tremendously remove the weight of that belt from your hips. Hope this helps. Great gift idea for anybody that's using a tool belt.